So this is the B-2 Nano Blade, and supposedly the world's smallest EDC knife. That is the whole knife extended right there. But with a knife this small, can you actually do stuff with it? So the B-2 Nano Blade is made by a company called Bomber & Co. I'm gonna throw up the link in the description below and some stats on the screen over here just for you guys to look at if you are into knives, which I'm not really into, although I did get this on a Black Friday deal, so I got it at a pretty discounted price. I think it was about half price or something like that. So I personally think this is a really cool knife just because of how small it is. And the knife is way smaller than something like your phone. It's probably, you know, smaller than your wallet. So this is my wallet. This is how small the knife is. It's barely the size of my wallet. So the thing is, it is designed to be an EDC knife, so it makes sense that it would be, you know, pocketable and it'd be easy for you to carry it anywhere. But the thing is, with something this small, I'm not sure what kind of I guess work you'd be doing with it. Now the thing is, I don't do a lot of work with knives. Like I haven't really found myself in a lot of situations where I need to pull out a knife, but I like having one just in case I need one. So for stuff like opening your mail, you know, your mail packages, your online shopping, whatever, this thing will destroy packages like, you know, completely effortlessly. Like, yeah, it's done, you know. Like for opening packages and boxes, this thing is awesome. And that's basically what I use this knife for 90% of the time. So it does have a serrated edge with teeth over here if you need to do something more hardcore. But you know, going through a simple product box, like, you know, something like this is like your standard cardboard based product box. It'll run through it no problem, you know, it'll cut through it no problem. So in terms of like use, it is pretty comfortable to use. I mean, you can use it with 3 fingers. You can even wrap your whole hand around it like this and then use it to cut open something or to slice something open like this. And it does fold pretty easily. It's a frame lock and you have a hook, so you know, this goes on your keys or whatever else you decide to hook it onto. And I would say I like it a lot. I don't know if I would recommend buying it at full price, but I would definitely recommend buying it at a discounted price. So I just checked the website, and right now the knife retails at about $39 US, which is definitely not cheap, although you can find a knife that looks exactly like this on AliExpress, which is basically Chinese Amazon in a way. So you could maybe take your chances there that it's only $5 there. Look, not even, it's like $4.49. Yeah guys, I mean, in terms of the product itself, there's nothing wrong with the product itself. I think it's great. I love the size, I love how functional it is. You can definitely make use of this in some way or another, if not just to open boxes and mail packages. But in terms of buying it at the $39 USD retail price is probably something I would avoid. But if you can get it at a much cheaper price someplace, I would definitely recommend it. So check it out. This is called the B-2 Nano Blade. Again, I'm gonna link the AliExpress page and the Bomber Tactical page in the description below. You can decide which one you want to buy and however many you want to buy. So those are my thoughts on this nice EDC knife, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.